It's Angel Hawks, Unhinged Creative Plan. And today I'm going to be planning in my big dashboard for the week after Christmas. And I'm going to use the Winter Florals by Kelva Plan sticker book. They have a collection, of stickers that are for the new year. And so that's what I'm going to be using. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to white out some of the titles. Okay, and I want to white this out too. All right. Now, okay, first I'm going to stick this down in the corner. Then I have this clock sticker, which is beautiful. I'm going to put that in this corner, and they're going to overlap just a bit. Pretty. Next, I'm going to take this big one and put it in this corner. Now, I don't have anything planned for this week. It is New Year's and New Year's Eve, and I don't have any plans for that either, other than just, being with my family at home and ringing in the new year in our house. Now, one thing I want to do is cover this meal plan thing up. And then I'm going to put this up in the corner here. I'm going to use these clock images to represent the new year. All right, and then over here, I'm going to try to cover up this whole green box. I'm going to start with that, and then I'm going to add let me see if I can move it over. All right, let's see if we can move this over closer to the edge of the page. Then I'm going to use this one. Cover up the rest of that green box. And I'm going to put a floral over here. Then we've got another floral to put up here. Then we have some fun stickers. We have Goodbye 2021, which I'm going to put on Friday. And I've got a Hello 2022 for Saturday. See if we're in frame there. Okay. Now I'm going to put some boxes down. So I thought I would continue that there. Oh no, that doesn't look too good. Come on. Let's move it down a little. So I've got a little bit of a checkbox there. Then I'm going to put another box right here. Let me lift this up and put it on top of it. I've got a box for Tuesday. A box on Monday and Wednesday. Like that. Then I just need something right there. And let's see what we have in the back here. Sometimes she has words and stuff, but no. There is some small florals that match. Do have check boxes, but they're not big enough. Let's see. I could put a little box and then just letter in it. Yeah, I like that idea. Put another little box over here. And I think I'm done. I think that looks good. Yeah, I think that looks good. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed this layout. I hope you got some inspiration, some ideas, and you will join me next time. Until then, be blessed.